A professional gutter cleaning job starts out by tending to the details. Details like making sure that you place your ladder on safe ground without disturbing garden beds. It also means that you place it against the gutter or above the gutter so as not to scratch the finish on the gutter. Of particular importance when cleaning gutters is to make absolutely sure that every downspout is cleared and not blocked with any debris so that the water can flow freely down from the gooseneck on the gutter through the elbow and down the gutter to the ground. When we're cleaning gutters, we're careful to remove all the debris. Another detail is when you're up cleaning out the gutter to collect the debris in a container that can be easily disposed of, discreetly disposed of in some area of the property where it's not an eyesore. We'll leave a notice in your door that we've completed our objective and cleaned out your gutters, and also let you know of any issues that might need attention.